Hello everybody, another day off work, rained off, can't lay bricks in this, so I'm up in the loft again. I thought I'd do another video for everybody, as a before and after. There's one side, when I did the rocks and just a bit of base coat around the fence. And I've finished this side off. I'm hoping I'm not going to get in the way too much. And there's the rocks with all the foliage on, which is the opposite side. Some bits of tree trunks, bits of trees, some foliage hanging off. Still got to hoover up yet. I can get some trains running. Try not to move the camera too fast so you can actually see what it's like. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. To my tunnel entrance. Very overgrown, which it will be anyway, won't it? Nobody's going to get round here with a mower, are they? So let me know what you think of it, guys. So today I'm going to carry on from the viaduct entrance. I'll carry on over that side. And once that and my water, this section will be finished and I can disappear over there and carry on with that side. So on that there, I'll shoot off, get some foliage done. Usual, give us thumbs up, guys, and like it, and see you on the next video. Happy training.